Hello guys, at Guglatech today we will show you, thanks to the help of the beautiful Veronica, how to mount the air filter Ultra for Rally Raid for the Suzuki V-Strom. This filter mounts on the early 1000 version and on an all 650 production, whatever year. Easy peasy, you don't need to take off the whole airbox from the bike like we did, because we have to do the calculation. You just remove the screws, take off the cap, remove the filter. This is the original one. You can see there is a gasket around it. Just take the gasket off the plastic. It's a very good quality, so nothing will happen to it. It's a very simple job. It's not even glued, it's just, put it on top. Put aside the original filter. Now, as always, as we recommend all the time, use some Teflon grease. We like Teflon grease because it has beautiful characteristics and it's very stable. Now you will put just a tiny bit of grease inside the groove where the filter sits. This will help our filter, which is with an aluminum laser cut plate, to fit properly and seal perfectly the plate, whatever kind of dust will your bike encounter. Easy peasy, put the grease inside the groove. No need to put a big quantity. Now, matching the notches where the screw will fit, mount back the gasket on the plate. We always recommend using gloves because, petrol-based components and compounds are not exactly nice to our skin. As you can see, it's a 5-second job. Put it properly. Now you can decide if your travels and trips usually see just normal street, this filter is already ready to be fit. If you want also to have some adventure, some desert crossing or some fine dust, we recommend you to oil the filter with a simple, for example, we recommend rock oil, factory aerofoam. Now, as you can see, Veronica already put the filter inside, she's very fast. She matched all the notches and the screws and she put back the cap. Bike is ready, just screw back everything and you're ready for next adventure. The filter is very easy to clean, just dish soap and warm water, and you can re-oil it and reuse it anytime you want. This filter will at least see 40,000 kilometers first before you will see or need some maintenance. If you like the video, please thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and follow us because we will always have new technical special product for your bikes and for your adventure. Thank you, Veronica. Thank you, guys. Bye.